Zeder Apartment within Millenium Estate, Gbagada, is one of the housing projects that we have put together. The beautiful thing about this project is the fact that it's within an already developed estate. I mean, for those that know Gbagada very well, Millenium Estate is a premium location within Gbagada axis. Each of the apartments is 4-bedroom duplex. The 4-bedroom duplex comes with a studio apartment attached to it. There's ample parking space, and each of these duplexes comes with 5 kVA solar powered inverter. Apart from that, it's fully fitted kitchen. It comes with a double door fridge. Each of the block contains 3 duplex. One of the duplex is a premium plus and 2 others are premium. Premium plus contains the same 4-bedroom duplex and a studio apartment, but has a rooftop sit-out. It's a penthouse sit-out that children can play. It can be a play area for games.